sorry, spider in my ear or something. I had this water fountain. It worked great, and then you unplug it, then it sits, then the water gets disgusting, and then I threw a couple chlorine tablets from my pool. I broke it up, but still, I think I put too much in there, and it ended up breaking this pump. So, this thing's been sitting for like a year, maybe a year and a half, and yeah, there's like spiders and larvae flipping around here because I just spilled some water out of it, so it's disgusting. But anyways, I went to Temu. I saw a freaking pump for like $14 and I bought it with hopes this thing will be revived and I can have beautiful sounds of water trickling down. It's right here. It's the manual. Brand new, baby. See the specs on it. So comparison, it's a lot bigger, which I was concerned because I thought that this is gonna be too small. Not too sure how much it's gonna take to pump from down there all the way from up here. Yes, very filthy. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean it now, get the hose out, clean. Who knows what I'm gonna find because I see some mouse poop in there. And I know there was a freaking crazy spider, which I hate spiders, and he was a smart spider, so when he saw me, he would run in there, so that's scary. Right there is scary. Hell nah. Because the water is filling up. Let me walk away here. I found a good spot. There it is. Found a nice spot to put it. We have 2 chairs here, so when we're sitting here, we could have some ambiance water trickling down at the front porch. I'm putting water in there. I got my Temu product, a little water pump here. There's a couple little attachments you could put on it. So I'll find the right one that fits over the hose that's in there now, and we're gonna see if this thing actually has the power to pump it through and work properly. I also put the plug right here. It's kind of close to water, so I might need to shift it over, which I'll probably do. It looks like this thing has, is it overflowing? Okay, it's right there. Okay, I thought it was leaking there, like a leak or something. And then in that case, I'd be taking the Temu pump back. But no, I think it's good. I think I just overfilled it. I might need to chop that other piece off that it's on the pump. Screw that in. But I need to cut this part off because it's not gonna fit. Oh. Well, that worked. Kind of falling apart, but I was able to pull it right out. So we'll save this piece for something else to go in my junk drawer in my garage. All right, so I got that off. I'm gonna attempt to drop it in because I don't know if I could stick it anywhere. There's suction cups on it, but it's like fiberglass or something, so I don't think it's gonna stick, but I could try it. Oh, kind of does. We're gonna plug it in now. We're gonna see if this bad boy works. Temu, don't disappoint me, please. Ooh, I like it. I like it. I like it. You know, get that leaf out of there. All the shit that's been in there for a while. Oh, I like this. Look at that. I'll put the link in the description. And it's for a basic water fountain. All kinds of stuff still coming out of it. Cool, I am stoked. It's working great. Now let's see how long it works for. That's the key. So maybe I'll touch base in about a month and see if this thing's still kicking. But right now, it's flawless. It's working perfectly. It's working a lot better than it did before, but I know it's because maybe it's a bigger pump, and also like I just cleaned all the hoses in it too. So that's probably proper maintenance you should do on your fountain. So hope you enjoyed. Hope this helped you make a decision or not make a decision. I'm pretty sure it'd help you make a decision. But yeah, Temu, the water pump, works perfect.